Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel AR Talks. In this video we will be looking for Vlookup formula. Let's see what is that. This is the data which are given on the table. That's a vertical table. So if I am applying formula on this table, it becomes Vlookup. V stands for vertical. Now what is the formula for Vlookup exactly means that suppose I have this table that is stock, product code, quantity and price. You can see the products like calculator, computer, printer and so on. Now suppose I want price of one product, let's say calculator. See, if you see here is the price. I have to go into calculator and I have to find the price that is rupees 500. So I return rupees 500. Now if I want to change my product name, let's say computer, I will go and type here computer. Once I type computer, I will go to the record and find the amount that is rupees 23,000 and will write here that is rupees 23,000. So now it is easy because it is a small table. Imagine the data is huge, and if you want to identify the product, price, quantity, whatever may be, that will be very difficult. Then we have to use the function known as Vlookup, right? So I will type here a function for Vlookup. I delete this and I will type here. What is Vlookup says is, Vlookup says there is a lookup value. This value I want to see in this table. So in this table what I am doing is it will find out the product and which column you want, this value or this value, so that column number also we have to given. Okay, let's see how we can go. So I will type here function for Vlookup is equal to Vlookup, open the bracket, you see here saying as lookup value. So first we select the lookup value, comma, second it's saying table array. I have multiple table in this sheet, but I am interested in this portion itself, so I will select this table, right? So in this table find out this calculator, comma, next it says which index you want. So I want this price column with respect to this red color line, which is the column number I want. This is first, second, third and fourth. So I will type here value as 4, comma, and next it says as true for approximate match or false for exact match, right? Now I am looking for exact match, so I will put here number as 0. 0 stands for exact match and I will close the bracket. So this is a function for Vlookup. So now if I press the enter, we will get the answer rupees 500. Okay, if I change the product, instead of calculator, if I put here let's say computer and press enter, let's see the answer computer as rupees 23,000, which is absolutely correct. So I hope you have understood how to get values using the Vlookup function. In every time I go and type product name, it took so long to type each item separately. But all of this can be done easily by using the function data validation. For that we can create a drop down list for the above items. Let's see how it is possible. In data tab, select data validation. Then from the validation criteria, allow items to show as list and provide a range for data validation like this and press OK. So now we can select items from the list without typing each item. Now our work become very easy. So I select one item, let's say camera, and I will provide here the same function as is equal to Vlookup Open the bracket, select the lookup value, comma, select the table array, comma, provide index number as 4, comma 0 for getting exact match. Then close the bracket and press enter. Then you will get the result as rupees 14,000. This is the same function we already discussed. But what is the benefit of this VLOOKUP with the data validation? There is only one difference. We do not need to type each item. It can be select from the drop down list easily. We can select other item, let's say printer. It will give the value as rupees 4,500, which is absolutely correctly with the table. So this way you can work using VLOOKUP with the data validation, and you can keep on getting the answer. So I hope you have understood the function of VLOOKUP. Okay, that's all about this video. Thank you.